Hello everyone and welcome back to Natural Beauty by Anna. I'm Anna and today I'm gonna do what every YouTuber out there has done or will do at least once in their career. Open a box on camera. Yes, I ordered myself new skincare products and I'm so excited about it. I ordered from Botanic Universe this time and this is the first time I'm ordering from them. So I'm really excited to see what their products are like and how do they compare to what I already had. I ordered a bunch of different things and to be honest, I don't think I remember everything because it's been a while. The order arrived quickly enough, but I've just been pushing filming this video for about a week and a half. So they've been sitting in this box all this time. So it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise for me and for you. Let's see what I ordered. I got my scissors here. So I actually have here the paper with everything that I got, but I'm not gonna look at it now. I'm just gonna take the things out. So first off, the box looks like this and the products are protected by these fluffy things, foam things, noodles, which is nice. I mean, it's nice that your products are protected like this. And the first thing out of the box, wow, what is this? Unrefined shea butter organic. Did I get this much? I got 500 grams of it and the price was $18.99 Canadian dollars. One thing that I am not so happy with is that it doesn't say what is the shelf life of this product, neither on the jar nor on the website. I mean, I know that unprocessed oils and butters usually have a very long shelf life if kept in the proper conditions. But I would have liked for the company to give me this information rather than me having to go with whatever the internet tells me. And now let's see inside. Here is what it looks like. I did have unrefined shea butter before and it took me a while to actually find a company here in North America that sells it. And to be honest, this is my main reason why I chose to make an order from Botanic Universe, because they sell unrefined shea butter in bulk like this. It smells nice. It looks good. I don't know. It looks the same as the shea butter that I had before. And I will take a little bit and test it. First off, I want to say right away I feel like it's much softer or moist than the one I had before. It has a nicer texture and it feels much better on my skin compared to the refined shea butter. It feels like it absorbs easier into the skin. It is not as heavy. I just rubbed it on for a few seconds and the buttery feel of it is already gone and my skin is just nice and soft and well moisturized. So yeah, very happy with this purchase. Let's see what the mystery box has in store. Aloe vera gel juice. And I have to tell you, I go through this so crazy fast because this is the main hydrating ingredient that I use in most of my recipes. I got 500 milliliters and the price for it was $9.99 Canadian dollars. And I have to say at this price, it's slightly cheaper than what I saw in other online stores that deliver this type of products. Again, there is no shelf life indicated anywhere, and that is more problematic with aloe vera gel juice because depending on the company, its shelf life can differ from a month to a year. So I'm really not sure how long I should keep this. I got 500 milliliters. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to make an inquiry with the company regarding this one. Moving on, let's see what else have we got here. Oh my god, what is this? Kaolin facial scrub. Now lately I've been into exfoliating and scrubbing my face in different ways. I'm really curious to test out new methods. This I'm a little bit confused about because the name says Kaolin facial scrub, but it's a powder and below it says it's an exfoliant, and a scrub and an exfoliant are not the same thing. So I'll definitely have to investigate to see exactly how I'm supposed to use this, because I thought I had it figured out just by the name of it, but now I don't. Also, I got 500 grams of this and the price was $10.99 Canadian dollars plus taxes. always plus taxes. And with it being a powder, they also usually have a very long shelf life unless contaminated with water or other watery substance. So I will make sure to keep it safe. And next one up, Rasul Clay. I think that's how you say it, I'm really not sure. Because yes, another one of my new passions are clay masks, all kinds and sorts and different ways of making clay masks. And I didn't have enough already. Yes, I did actually. I have like at least 4 or 5 different types of clays, but I had to get a new one. Also because this is one that I haven't seen on other websites that I ordered from before. So I was curious to see what it is, what it does, how does it apply and all of that. I've also purchased 500 grams of this clay and the price was $11.99 Canadian dollars plus taxes. And finally, the last things that I ordered are so wrapped up. Rosehip oil and tamanu oil. And these are some of my favorite oils to use in my skincare, in my daily skincare routine. I've made so many different recipes with them, some of which are actually on this channel. So if you're curious to check them out, I will leave a link in the description box below. I ran out of rosehip oil actually, which is why I wanted to purchase it. I still have some tamanu oil left from my previous order, but I wanted to try out their version of it to see if it's different. Does it apply in any different way? Now, they are both extra virgin cold pressed oils, and for both of them, the website gives a shelf life of up to 1 year if properly stored. I'm especially curious about the texture of the tamanu oil. It's got that special cap so that kids can't open it, which is good, great. Safety first. But then again, it seems like I can't open it either. Okay, there we go. Oh, and I really like this. It has a dropper applicator, which I think works better for keeping like bacteria and whatnot out of the bottle as you continue to use it. Okay, so the oil doesn't drop out that easily, but that's fine, we can deal with that. Oh, this is really nice. So I had tamanu oil, unrefined or extra virgin tamanu oil before, and it was much thicker. This one seems slightly thinner. It has the typical smell of tamanu oil, which I love. By the way, it's this like nutty, earthy type of smell. I'm really impressed with this, I have to admit. As for the rosehip oil, it has the same type of dropper applicator, and yes, the rosehip oil is much thinner, so it drops much faster, so I gotta be careful. This one drop is enough. Got the nice rich orange color of the extra virgin rosehip oil. It's got a stronger smell than I am used to, so I'm gonna have to check out and compare exactly what each company says about their rosehip oils, the one that I already have and the one that I just purchased now, in order to determine what is exactly the difference. But yeah, it absorbs really quickly. It doesn't leave that oily feeling to the skin, to the surface of the skin, which is one of the main characteristics of rosehip oil. And right, I forgot to mention the prices for the oils were $14.99 for the rosehip oil for 50 milliliters and $17.99 for the tamanu oil, also for 50 milliliters. So the price also falls within the middle area of the prices that I usually see for these oils. And another difference that I want to note regarding the oils is that they come in this amber glass type of a recipient rather than the plastic recipients that I have received so far when I placed an online order. And that is definitely a plus for me because I know that the oils keep better in this type of a recipient than in a plastic recipient. All in all, I'm really happy with what I got. I like the packaging. I like the fact that the oils are in amber glass bottles. I like the fact that I could choose between different quantities. I went with around 500 grams or milliliters of each item, but you can order anywhere from 100 grams up to 1 kilogram of pretty much every item. I was especially happy that I managed to find the unrefined shea butter, which, as I have already mentioned, I couldn't find find at a lot of companies that distribute these products online. And I also found a new type of clay, the Rasul clay. Please correct me in the comment section below if I'm mispronouncing the name of this clay. Also, I have to mention that this video is not sponsored. The company hasn't sent me these items. I purchased them myself. I bet the company doesn't even know that I'm doing this video. And if you're curious to see what am I gonna do with all of these products that I have just bought, I invite you to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss next time when I bring a new video in which for sure I will use some of the products here. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That helps me a lot, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye!